Hello my quilting friends, Leah Day here with another beautiful free motion quilting design. It's called Tricir. It's a combination of triangle shapes and circle shapes. Kind of hard to say, but it really is beautiful on our quilts. So let's learn how to machine quilt this design together. So let's get started with Tricir. This is basically a combination of pointy paisley or triangles with a circle. So I'm first going to stitch the triangle. That's going to kind of set the base for the design, give us a space to quilt it into. Okay, and I'm in kind of an odd area, but I'm going to go on ahead and return to my starting point just so you can see how to do this. The next step is to travel stitch to the end of the triangle shape and just stitch the circle. And you can then carefully travel stitch around the outside edge and return to that starting point again. And then now we're going to pivot and echo. So this was a little different simply because we were right on the edge of the quilting space. Let me show you this shape one more time. Here we go. We're going to form a triangle shape. And I really think that it helps to form kind of a long, narrow triangle versus a very wide triangle. That can just be a little bit more challenging as you come back around to echo. Okay, travel stitch the end and fill it with a circle. Now I'm going to keep travel stitching and go all the way around the outer edge. You might be wondering, why didn't I just travel stitch back the way I came? I certainly could, then that's totally open to you. It would be less travel stitching. But going around all the way around the triangle, we have 2 layers of thread consistently all the way around it. I think it looks better that way. That's just my personal opinion though. You don't have to stitch it that way if you don't want to. Now I'm going to pivot and echo all the way around. And I want to come in and hit that point. That's what makes this a pivoting design. It also builds up the texture right in that point and makes it look really neat. Now I've got some odd areas over here too. Kind of big question, what do we do in this area? I think I'm going to fill in with one more line going this way. Then I'm going to branch out and form a triangle like this. Sometimes you just have to make it up as you go along, and the best thing to do is just remember the rules of the design. We have triangle with a circle inside of it. As long as it looks the same, it's going to be perfectly fine. Some careful travel stitching here and there. And now it kind of fits, works with the rest of everything else. And all I'm going to do is just continue to branch out. I'll probably travel stitch through here and branch out with my next shape. Understand that travel stitching is absolutely allowed. In fact, actually it's necessary in order to put these 2 shapes together. So that's it for Tricir. I really hope that you enjoyed learning how to quilt this design with me today. Definitely subscribe to our videos here on YouTube so you don't miss out on any of the cool quilting designs coming out every single Friday. Until next time, let's go quilt.